under the chin moment is not the cutest. Okay, I just did my hair, which has already fallen out, but it's still kind of there. I'll be honest, it's the first time I've kind of got myself slightly ready since all this stuff has gone down. But my friend Raf did a get ready with me with a voiceover yesterday. Well, he uploaded it yesterday, and a certain someone wanted to do the same thing, so we're going to do that today. And this is probably the first time I've put my makeup on too, so I'm just going to hang out and maybe watch a video and let him do what he wants. Okay, I'm trying to listen to a podcast instead of a video, actually. Educate myself a little bit. Actually, not so educational, but I'm gonna listen to My Favourite Murderer with Karen and Georgia. I love them. If you like murder podcasts, definitely check them out. They're very funny as well. Which, how they make murder stories into comedy, I have no idea, but they do it. Somehow they magically do it.
This is exactly right.
Hi guys, welcome back to Aurelie. So now I'll be doing some beauty products straight all over my face. So first one was from Avon. Rub that in symmetrically. Get the neck in there as well, bit of the eyebrows. This one here from MAC Concealer. Is it a MAC Concealer? Yes? No? Who knows? So we will be doing the 4 dots, one on the forehead, one on the nose, 5, maybe 6. Few spritzels of that underneath here, kind of like making a face mask. Have you ever done face painting as a kid? Well, this is what it looks like. Now you get the big brush, the same ones that you used to get in the art classroom. Smudge that in, fade it in with a number 1 grade. Pull back the forehead and moisturizer. Here we go. Finished product. Make sure you get that. A bit of dabbles on the cheeks. Next is the pull it off. Still in the wrapper. Here we go. Oh, I think we call this one concealer. Few drops. One on my friend there. Her name is Katrina. Katrina, welcome to the show. We'll be covering you up for the time being. And as we apply the brush underneath, covering Katrina, and abracadabra, Katrina is gone. One more thing. This is from Avon. We call this the Q-numpsum, and we call this the eye drops, and you put the eye drops onto the canumpsum. You apply the canumpsum onto the eyebrows, as we just literally trying to get some dynamics to these eyebrows. You know, they're symmetrical. Eyebrows won't be that even, but we'll try our best today. So you flick up, one to the left, one to the right. Next, we will be applying this big lipstick. And the lipstick will be just doing tiny night ticks just across the ear. Next one, and we'll be doing a couple of Adidas ticks as well. The next one, we will be doing some Reebok dashes on our nose, kind of looking like a tiger. So round, rub it in my nose and brows. Grab that in the cheeks, fade it away. Now we'll be using some LSY. Rubbing that in through our LSY brush. Nicely, gently pushing back the forehead again. Next up is, hope you can see the nice little butterfly clips that I've got in my head, is another brush. Probably not the same brush that I used previously before. And same again, another night tick. Apply that. And what we will be looking for is the swoosh. Here we go, we're just swooshing that. Swooshing that into the cheeks, kind of in line with the earlobes. Same again on the other side. We are looking for that symmetrical look today. It is the lookbook for Autumn Winter 2020, which I'll be showcasing on my channel later on. Next, we have something for the cheekbone. This highlights the cheekbone and infuses the skin coming out. Summertime is here, so we just dabble a little bit, dabble on the left, dabble on the right. Same again, using another brush and just circular motions, rub, rub, dibble, dabble, dub, dub. Next we have a big pencil. Pull the big pencil out. You may remember these from school days. And we just apply the big pencil just above the eyelids and on the left eyelid. I normally would have used the blue one, but today I will be using the black big pen. Slightly smush that in. Now we have the curlers. Curl the lashes for that vibrant look. Now if you had that date on this Sunday, could have been on a Saturday, but our dates are on a Sunday. So, as I says, back to the curlers. Oh, we are using something else now. This one here is the Flick and Curl. Flick and Curl, it was used in the 1960s, but we started to use it in the 2020s. As you can see, there we go. It brings it alive. Alive, alive, alive is the look that we are looking for today. I've got a bit on my nose. I'm looking for that beauty spot. Now, beauty spots are the in thing of 2020, which I've literally got one on the middle of my nose. May apply somewhere else, but no, I will just pick, flick, and throw it away. And will that MO fold come off? And it has indeed. Katrina is hidden away, so no more friendly fire with that beauty spot. Next in line we have the rose gold dot 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 slash slash dot dot dot, kind of like Morse code how you'd apply it. Dot 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 dot. As you can see, I am putting a message on my face to all my viewers out there to say thank you very much for coming to this channel. Now I am symmetric on both sides. Nice glow, nice gloss. Here we have the Biro pencil. Again, just applying it on the lips, on the bottom layer, just adding a bit more layer to that one there. You know, you don't want too much on the top. Just a little slip, slap, dabble, dabble. Next, don't know why I'm applying lipstick on top of that there, but who knows, maybe it's for more of that oomph. I'm looking for that feeling. You know, that feeling. So, butterfly clips come out. Bit of deodorant. I think that's Lynx deodorant. And we're just going to shake it. And spray all over my face. Just look at that. Finish product, finish glow.
Okay, let's pause.
So proud.
Karen and Georgia real quick. Actually didn't get that far into it. That took 15 minutes. But we are done. I never wear that much makeup, so it's normal, very natural. And now I'm gonna go edit this, see if we can do a voiceover, and I might make a banana cake today. I know everyone is doing that and it's annoying, but he's never had one and I'm in massive shock about that. Cannot believe it. I grew up on having banana cakes when I was younger, so I feel like he needs to experience that. But yeah, that's the look. We'll see what he has to say. I actually have a bit of faith in him. I feel like he knows a few things. Nice weather out, so I might go sit in a garden. I hope everyone is doing well and are keeping healthy, and I will see you all very soon. Bye. I just wanted to add at the end of this, obviously I mentioned that I drafted this video first, and I want you all to go and watch it. I'll put the link below, and send him some well wishes and love. Lots of likes, so make him feel welcome in this community. Okay, now I'm really going. See you later.